That's how you peel it, guys, or one of the ways. Our dry ingredients. This is, well, not, it's really dry and wet because the potato and the cassava. I'm just come back. Now I'm gonna add a cup of cornmeal, and I'm using the coarse cornmeal a little bit. Keep mixing this in. Still have a little texture to it because again it's not in cement now, it's, you know, but the whole way to know is as it stands in there. That's it. Okay guys, we're now getting ready to start our next phase of it. So here's my kitchen cord. So now we have it in a nice pouch. Okay, we have a little bit of a sauce running from it, but that's okay at this point. Here we are guys, finished folding, wrapping up the tire leaf. Now we're gonna put them in the pot, in our pot of boiling water, which we have right over here. Nice boiling pot of water. So we're gonna look, put the other one on top of it. Sure that we keep the temperature rolling, boiling as much as possible. Of course, it's gonna change the temperature a little bit, you know, because they're cold, they're room temperature, so to speak, and so we gotta bump up the fire, the heat, so that burn 20 minutes somewhere around there. Okay, and I will show you when it's finished. Continue to stay tuned. Here they are guys, they're cooling down. Okay guys, so the tire leaf, otherwise known as blue draws or duckano, is finished. So it's cooled. I left it overnight and I'm going in to get a slice. So we're going to check it, see how nicely it came out, and I'll tell you, you know, how it tastes as well. However, I just also wanted to know how grateful I am for you coming back to my channel and just giving me the support. It's really, really, really appreciated. I really appreciate the support that I get from you guys, and just, you know, having fun putting my videos out. Thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Okay, so let's get ready to dig in.